Nurses are under tremendous pressure to deliver high-quality care. Hospitals understand the need for a nurse call system to help their nurses work efficiently and perform at the top of their license. It's made possible by Ascom's Telligence 7's enterprise-built nurse call system that features automated workflows that support built-in virtual nursing capabilities, clinical communication and collaboration, medical device integration made easy by a plug-and-play Smart Connect cable, and smart alarming and alerting. Telligence 7 is a modern, innovative, and scalable nurse call system that can benefit a single hospital facility just as much as a group of hospitals within a large IDN. Here are just a few new technical and clinical features that IT folks, administrators, and nurses will love. First, there's no downtime for IP endpoint restarts. Hospital IT admins can now apply changes instantly to optimize workflows with zero disruption. These can be completed at any time, day or night, eliminating 5 to 8 minutes of downtime per unit or IP device, and enabling nurses to maintain their continued workflow without interruption. This also prevents further clinical resource allocation to cover patient needs during restarts, and allows IT more opportunity for future changes and upgrades that address ongoing clinical needs. Next, Telligence 7 streamlines installation with time-saving import and export templates. These templates can be easily scaled to other sites and units, boosting organizational efficiency. What's more, Telligence 7 can be installed on a cloud-based SQL server. This cuts down installation time, enhances scalability, and improves cybersecurity. Telligence 7 leads to better outcomes for everyone. IT has a secure, adaptable, and affordable system. Nurses get more done and experience greater job satisfaction. Leadership sees better returns, not to mention more organizational efficiency and sustainability. And most importantly, patients receive better care. The Telligence 7 nurse call system and its 7 powerful features from Ascom is the solution. To learn more about the 7 ways the Telligence 7 nurse call system can benefit your organization, contact your Ascom rep or visit ascom.com.